Hey friends, it's Miss Sheila here, and today I'm going to talk to you about bottle tops. Why are they important? I always tell everybody, save your bottle tops. Don't go out and buy anything. Let's use what we have. So, I love to eat this Talenti gelato ice cream, and I save the containers. They're really handy. Save the container, okay? I can store stuff in there. I also really like Gatorade. So what I do, I save all the tops. And what I do with the tops, I play an I Spy game. You can use this game in so many ways. As you can see here, I've got a picture of an octopus. Octopus. And I'll also put stickers on some of the others. Ice cream. Popcorn. These are great with our little ones. You can create an I Spy game, and you can also address sounds. Popcorn. Pink. Pig. It's a great way. And so all you have to do is keep your Gatorade bottles. You can Gatorade bottle tops, and you can store them in a little plastic container. I've left the label on here, but if you want to get the label off, all you've got to do is peel it off, and if you do have trouble, you can get some Goo Gone, and it will come right off. I also have a container. These are some pickles that I bought. So I just took a plastic little jar, and I put more of my Gatorade tops in here. I use Gatorade tops. Like I said, I play an I Spy game with my students. What's something that we can eat? What's an animal that might live on a farm? Ooh, what is that? Horse. And you can also use the inside. These can be used for counting. You can put a number, 1, 2, 3, or you can do dots. You can write a number on one and put the corresponding number of dots on another one and ask your child to match them together. Or some students, some children, they really struggle with identifying familiar adults, familiar peers. So you can take the outside of the top, or you can take the inside. There's a lot of room, really. You can take the inside, have a picture, cut it out in a circular pattern, and you can glue that picture on the inside and ask your child, find mama, find brother. I use these in so many ways, and all I did, you can see right here. I'm a teacher. I collect stickers. I have a lot of them. You can see where my children, my students, they've drawn on some of these. Tomato, a Mardi Gras mask, moon, fire hydrant. These are basic things. We want your child to have well over 40 words by the time that they turn 3 and they enter preschool. So having them, even if you're not using the Gatorade tops, having them at paint, draw these stickers, color them, some that are already done, something that they might know. Ooh, popsicle, radio, fried egg. They might not know some of these anymore, but I'm letting you know that you have a lot of options when you want to put something on there so that your child can play I Spy. And this doesn't just go for everyday objects. You can also use it for shapes. Is this a square? I see a moon. Moon. What color is this moon? Blue. And as the child completes it, back in the jar. Back in the jar. You can count them too. How many do we get? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. That one's got a heart on there. You can't really see it. It's a little bitty heart. 4, 5. And this is also a great way to introduce vocabulary to your child. I have one. This is an old sticker of mine. It's the sun. A lot of kids, they don't know that this is the sun, because when we look up at the sun, we don't see it smiling. So it's a great opportunity to introduce your child to the way that in some stories the sun might look different. Sometimes it's orange, sometimes it's yellow, sometimes it can be kind of red. So you can show this sun is happy. You can talk about it a little bit. When they get it, back in the container. And that is an easy way to save your Gatorade bottle tops. and use them over and over. Don't forget, you don't just have to save the bottle tops. If you want to save the bottles, you can use those for sensory bottles, I Spy bottles. And if you want, you can cut them off and use them as a planter with your child and plant a flower outside. How about that? If you really like this, drop me a comment or visit my Instagram at Teaching Frugally and let me know what you think.